AUDUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about Australian dollar against US dollar, and you can use this same analysis for trading NZDUSD as well in case you trade NZDUSD. So use the same analysis for AUDUSD. Now before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. Below the video, you have something important for yourself. So if you want some free signals every now and then make sure you connect with the Telegram for free. It's a free group to join. And then check out the prop firm and the brokers right here. So I want you to sign up with these brokers, open a separate demo account and start trading with my signals, okay? And I am serious about it. If you don't follow instructions, you will have your own loss, not mine. So check out these things, subscribe, like, and I'll come back to the chart now, starting the top-down approach with weekly time frame. Wednesday is almost over. So yeah, by the midweek, you can come to weekly and see what's the direction. The direction is we are going up. So this week for AUD/USD will end up probably blue, okay? Blue, not the dinosaur blue, but blue means the blue candle. So let's come back to daily. Daily, we are having the rejection today. The date is 2nd of July. When I'm recording the videos, like a couple of hours before the US market closes. But anyways, we have a rejection long wick kind of hammer now. So anybody with two eyes or maybe just one with, just with one eye. So if you even have one eye, you can see that we are in the strong uptrend, rejecting all the lows. Okay, so daily we are pushing up. So we have to take only longs. Coming back to 4 hour, what's our entry? Entry is right here. Okay, so we made a new high, pull back, rejection from the EMA. We came near to the EMA but never touched it. Then we have a long blue engulfing candle. That's your position. Okay, so use your long tool here. That's it. That's your this candle, this first blue candle. That's your position right here. And yeah, you want me to tell you when to exit out, because that's the key, right? You could be making all the profits, but you don't know when to exit, and then you can end up losing all those profits. Okay. Yeah, I'm an idiot telling you this for free. Nobody pays me, but let's tell you. So right now, if you enter here or whenever you're watching the video, this is your entry. Come to 4 hour. This blue candle is your entry. If you enter right now, exit at say 6605 and get lost. Okay, so right now you are at 6581 when I'm recording the video. Exit at 6605, 25 pips, 22 pips, and then get out. Okay, that's your entry, a free trade. Same for NZDUSD. So thank me later. Subscribe, like, join Telegram, blah blah blah. I'll see you in my next video. If you don't do what I say, your loss, not mine. Thank you.